Welcome everybody to our Bold Patents Aurora, Colorado page. I'm going to go through my top 5 entrepreneurial resources for you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner right here in Aurora. I've researched it and provided you some outlines on how you can move forward out of that, what can seem quite a lonely venture on your own. Usually, the inventors I talk with, they go through this story, this process of coming up with something brand new, and they just struggle with trying to bring it to market, get it to commercialize, and get their startup launched. I want to encourage you to look right here in your hometown of Aurora, Colorado, and see what resources you actually have. It's more than you think. So let's go through the top 5. Number 1, Smart Futures Lab. Probably heard of it. Cannot miss it. It's a free, I repeat, free 6-month incubator, an accelerator. It's focused in Aurora and Denver area, and it's focused on smart city tech. They offer prototyping labs, 5G connectivity, co-working space, mentorship, and government pilot access. It's an awesome opportunity. You do have to apply to it, and so I encourage you to do a few things on your checklist before you apply. Got to make sure what you've come up with is protected. So get with a patent attorney, schedule a free discovery call with us, and make sure your patent is at least pending before you start talking with Smart Futures Lab or any other accelerator or incubator. Also, you're probably going to want to meet with a business attorney. Make sure you set up your company properly, especially if you're going to be eventually seeking capital investment toward your equity might be getting diluted. You make sure you do it the right way. Last but not least, make sure you've done your diligence on the accelerator itself. Do some homework. Don't just jump into the first one you see. Even though it's number 1 on my list, it may not be number 1 for you. So check out Smart Futures Lab. It's my number 1. Tons of opportunity there. I love the zero cost. The program is put on by the city, and it will help launch your company. Final note on Smart Futures Lab is this opportunity to work as a co-working space that is just so valuable. As a founder myself, growing this law firm, it was invaluable to me to meet with other owners of law firms, just like you could meet other owners of technology companies that are also doing the same thing, trying to figure out how to make money, how to survive, and compete in this very difficult, challenging world here in 2025. All right, number 2, the Aurora South Metro SBDC. Again, some of my top ones here are free. This is as well. The SBDC is sponsored by the SBA, which you've heard of. SBDC stands for Small Business Development Center, and it's almost always chock full of very valuable mentors and advisors, men and women who have now maybe retired from retired from their positions of true wealth and autonomy. They want to pass down their lessons, and you are a perfect one to receive them. So get a hold of the SBDC, sign up today, get a mentor. I have one for my own law firm you're looking at right here in Washington State. You're down there in Colorado, find one there in Aurora or Denver area. Some awesome startups came out of the SBDC based in Aurora and Denver. Rustic Nomads, you've probably heard of them. They're a food truck. And Trunk Novo, a boutique retailer, both launched out of the SBDC and have that network there. So why don't you be another success story? All right, number 3, Colorado Life Science Incubation Program. So for some of those inventors, creators that are helping out in life sciences or biotech space, you've got to check out the Colorado Life Science Incubator Program. Again, you're going to have to apply to it. So make sure you've planned and got your stuff prepared. You're basically got your business plan, your invention's already protected. You've looked through other different options, then you can apply to these programs. They will boost your productivity, give you that potential to seek investment, and move you forward into the market quicker. Number 4, the Aurora Forge. This is an awesome one. Do not miss this. It's a seed stage, so that means very early stage incubator. It's founded by entrepreneurs, inventors, and industry leaders providing direct funding. So this is huge. If you're just getting started, you need that little bit of funding to get you get that edge. Now, what's wonderful about this Aurora Forge is it's not just the money; it's the mentorship and guidance that comes with the funding will actually move the needle more. The introductions you'll get from the mentors, the investors you're going to get in touch with, and of course, even before you get the investment, you'll be able to pitch and share your idea and concept with those in the community and in the industry. Last but not least, number 5, this is the CU, Colorado University's Innovation and Entrepreneurship Initiative. This is on the Aurora campus. is CU and Schultz Innovation Hub. Check this out. This has got a lot of funding, assistance in forming startups, and academic research as well. One huge upside to working with the university is the potential to work with their technology transfer department, get a hold of the researchers, the professors working on things, validating them in the lab. They usually want someone, that someone could be you, to take what they've come up with and go make money with it in the free market. So these are my top 5 here in Aurora, Colorado. I encourage you to take advantage of these resources right here locally to you. If you have any questions at all, Bold Patent stands ready to help you. Book a free discovery call. Ask us questions, the tough questions. We're here to do it. We'll be by your side along the whole way. Everybody, have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.